Hi everyone, my name is Sophie and welcome for today's advanced webinar. Please join me and write me in the chat where are you from and if you know BIGVU. And in the meanwhile, I want to tell you that today's webinar will be recorded and available for watching on Facebook and on YouTube after the live event, so please don't you worry about that. You're also welcome to write questions in the chat, and we will have a Q&A session in the end, so all of your questions will be answered. And now, please join me and let's start today's webinar. And please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Okay, so let's start. So welcome again to BIGVU webinar. Today, we'll go over all the advanced features of BIGVU that will help you take your videos to the next level and look like a pro. In general, BIGVU is like a studio production in your pocket. With BIGVU, you can get the full package. You can record your video using the teleprompter, with a script or without a script. You can style and edit your videos with automatic captions, with green screen, background music, business card, intros, outros, and so much more. And finally, you can download the video, you can share it on social media, and you can even create your own video landing page. So today we're going to talk about the desk teleprompter, advanced editing, our composer, creating your video landing page, branding. We'll discuss about our different plans and the workgroup and themes plan. And like I've said, there will be a Q&A session in the end. So the first thing that I want to start today is the desktop screen. So again, like I've said, BIGVU has an app and also a desk version. The desk version contains desks that are the workspaces that a BIGVU user use for his projects. He can upload his videos, he can write the script, he can edit, and so on. So on this main screen, we can see all of our previous projects. And we can create our new project over here. So before we'll go over on how to create a video, I want to explain to you in a second about the few options that we have over here on our left side. And later on this webinar, we will go deeper into each one of them. So except of the project screen, which is the screen I'm in right now, we have also the pages. In BIGVU, you can create your own landing page. Branding, where you can style your captions, your subtitles, and add a logo, add your business information. Next thing is the media library, where you can upload your own photos, videos, music, and then just combine them into your video. And the last one, this is the collection, where you can create a playlist of short interactive videos. Again, like I've said, we'll go deeper into each one of them. So this is in general about our main screen. So if we want to do the whole process from the beginning with BIGVU, we click on this Create blue button, and we have three options. The first option is creating a new script to write our text and then record. Most of our users like to write their own script, But it's important to know that you have the option to import a video that already exists in your computer, and the option of the sequence, where you can combine different videos into one longer video. So, like I've said again, we click on this Create blue button, and we select script because I want to show you the whole process with BIGVU. We click on script, and on this screen, we must write our text. So, for example, it will be this one, and of course, don't forget to give it a headline. For example, this is a demo. After I wrote my script, I click on Save Script, and I have two options. The first option is sending to app. I can send whatever I wrote over here using only my computer to record using my phone. It will immediately appear on my app. The second option, this is the option of our desktop teleprompter. This feature is available only if you have a Plus plan, and I think that this is very commended if you want just to record from your computer. So just keep in mind that you need to subscribe in order to use this desktop teleprompter. So we click on this Open Teleprompter, and we have our online desktop teleprompter. And I can record from my computer. But before we start the recording, we have a few important things that we need to pay attention to. So the first thing is these three options. The first option is scroll position. With the scroll position, you can start reading your text from the middle. If you wrote something and you've changed your mind, you want to start reading from here. So just scroll it. Next option, this is one of the most important adjustments that we need to make. This is the font size. This is what will give you the perfect eye contact. So it is important to adjust it. And the last thing, which I think the most important, this is the speed of the text. You want to read your text fluently. You don't want it to be too fast or too slow. You don't want anybody will know that you're reading from the screen. You don't want to memorize anything. This is why the adjustment of the speed is super important. The last thing you need to pay attention to, this is setting the camera and microphone. If you're using some external camera or microphone, this is super important to set it before the recording. So now I want to show you how I record. So let me adjust the way it will be perfect for me. Okay, I think it will be okay. Let's start the demo. This is a demo. Today I'm going to show how to do advanced editing and how to use BIGVU Plus. With BIGVU Plus, you can create beautiful videos using BIGVU Desk Teleprompter. You'll be able to create videos up to 59 minutes long and even customize your brand's colors and fonts. Stay tuned for more. And we click to stop the recording. As you can see, my eyes were always on the first line. I had the perfect eye contact with my camera, and nobody can know that I'm reading from the screen. So after I finished the recording, I have the option to upload the project if I liked it. I can download it to my computer and I can record again. So let's click on Upload Project, and we wait until it will be uploaded. Let's go back to our main screen. So while it's uploading, I want to say that you have the option to add captions, to add subtitles to your video. So if you want to do that, just a second. Okay, let me, okay. So this is our video. Now I want to add captions to my video. What I need to do, again, is just click on my video, go here to these three little dots, and select Add Captions. You need to select the language that you're talking with. So it will be English, and it will be automatic segmentation. Whatever I said on this video will be written. So again, I wait a few seconds until it will be done. Meanwhile, I prepared in advance some video that I want to show you. I click on the video, and as you can see, I already have captions. Over here, I have the captions, I have this, the words that, the things that she's saying written over here. After I've done that, I can open my composer. I can open our online editing tool and start editing our video. So this is our composer. This is our editing tool. The first thing that you'll notice about the composer is that on the right side, our video is divided into segments. This segment with the caption that we've added a few seconds ago. This is automatic segmentation so that our subtitles will fit the voice. You can change whatever is written here. You can play every segment separately, and you can play it all together. Another thing that you can do is to add your own logo. If you have your business logo, for example, you just upload it to your video. Now let's talk about the different options that we have on our left side. Let's start with styling. On the styling, you can select to change the aspect ratio of your video. You can make it vertical, horizontal, square, or even to crop. By default, it will always be horizontal, but if, for example, you want to upload something to Instagram, it is better to do that with the square option. Another thing that we have is the option to add intro or outro, a business card or a video that will appear on the beginning or on the end of your videos. So, for example, I want to add intro. I can add my business card or, again, video, any video that you want, to appear on the beginning or on the end of your video. Also, you can give your subtitles some nice color, some nice font with our video theme. So for example, this one, it will change the font, and if you mark some words, it will be more noticeable with some nice background. So let me show you what I mean. For example, if I want to mark the word cupcake, I have two options. I have the option to put stars, on the side of the word, and as you can see, it became with a nice blue background, and slashes on the side, and it became with a nice red font and a nice white background. I think in this way it is just more attractive to your viewers. So let's go back to our styling. So we have, as I said, the video theme and the option to add a background music to your video. Whatever is up here, this is copyright free, so just feel free to use it. After styling, we have the BIGVU library. With the BIGVU library, you can use our photos and our videos just to combine into your original video. Next thing is the uploads. This is one of my favorites because with this option, you can upload your own things, photos and videos, and just combine them again in your video. So, for example, I have this cupcake photo and I want to combine it to my video. I just click on it and I drag and drop it, for example, over here. And now I have some nice cupcake photo overlying my video. Next thing is the option to add tweets to your video and to use Pixabay. Pixabay, it's a copyright-free shared library that includes just photos and videos that you can use. So last thing about the composer is that you can always redo and undo whatever you did. You can click on these three dots and you can merge the subtitles, you can remove the media, you can split your segment into two, and you can edit the segment duration. After we finished editing, we click on Create. And we wait until our finished video will be done. So after we've done all that, I want to show you an example of how an edited video can look like with something that I prepared in advance. Just let me share it.
An app on mobile and also on the web. Wherever you access your account, your login details will always be the same. Write your script in the BIGVU web interface. Anything you enter here is also visible on your phone with one click. You can also write your script directly in the handy mobile app. If you subscribe to BIGVU, any video in the app is available on the cloud as soon as you add your logo, titling, music, replace green or add captions. Videos are then available for fine-tuning on your laptop. Some people find it easier to edit captions on their laptop, or other tasks such as posting their final video in one click to Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Edit videos to Square and boost views.
Post your videos everywhere with just one tap.
Okay. Okay. So, as you could see, this was a video about BIGVU that I've made with only BIGVU's composer. So if I can do that, you can do that as well. So after we've done all that, I have my finished video. I want to show you what different distributions we have of the video. So this is our finished video. I click on these three dots and I can first download my video to my computer. I can export it to a different social medias, and one of my favorites, this is a video page. The video page is a feature that available only if you have the starter or the plus plan. And basically, video page or landing page, it is like a little website without any disruptions, just for your video. So let me click on it and explain to you. So this video page you can share it using mail, messenger, or social media. So again, after your project is ready, you click on these three dots, you go on the video page. Over here, you can see your video, you can give it a headline to write the text, and even change the background strip. For example, this one. Okay, and another really nice thing is up here on these three dots, the page settings. So if you click on it, it takes you to the page settings. Over here, you can add your logo, you can add a call to action button and even select the color. You can add your business information, your social media links, and your username or URL. After you've done all that and you click on save, it will redirect you to this pages tab that I've told you that I'm going to talk about. And over here, you can see all of your pages stats. You can see the number of visits. You can see how many times people pressed to watch the video, how many clicked on the call to action buttons. And a really nice thing that I want to show you is the option to share your page on social media, but you can share it also via mail or personal messages, and it will look like a video even though it's just a link. So let me show you what I mean. I want to send to a friend this video. I click on this copy URL and I go to my Facebook. I want to send it to a friend. So I paste this link. Excuse me. And in a second, you will see that this link becomes a video, a little video, and my friend has a little preview of what I've sent to her without even opening it. So I think that this is really nice and very convenient, and also in this way, it is convenient on emails. And why is that? Because sometimes a video can be too big to send. So with this option, it still looks like a video, but size-wise, it will be just a link. So now let me show you how a real landing page, video page can look like with something that I prepared in advance. So this is a video I made using only BIGVU. And this is a video landing page. I have my text over here. On the bottom, I have my social links that you can click on, my business information, and on the top, my logo and a call to action button that I've chosen. So let's go back to our desk. And now let's talk a bit about the branding tab. On the branding tab, you can add your logo, but also you can create your own templates that you can use in your videos. If you are using captions in your videos, you can make it your own captions with your own style that will fit your brand. You can make it red or green or whatever you want. And in this way, it fits your brand. And I think it is very attractive to your viewers, customers, friends, whoever sees your video. So I think that basically, in general, this is it about the desk. And now I want to talk with you about our different plans that we have. So we have the starter plan and the plus plan. On the Plus plan, you will find all the features of the starter, but also you can make videos up to 59 minutes long. You can customize brands, colors, and fonts, like I've shown you with the captions. You can use the desktop teleprompter and have the video analytics. Also, we have our work groups and team plans that they are a collaborative platforms, and you can use it for any subject that you want. You can use it rather for internal communication, the onboarding process, news report, sales speech within your team. If you want to be updated in real time with what your colleagues, freelancers, or customers are doing, I think that you should use the work groups or teams plan. The only difference between them is that in work groups, it's up to 5 people and have only one desk. And in teams, you can have more than 10 people and have multiple desks. So I think that this could be very useful if you have different work teams or clients that you want them to have a shared workspace, but you don't want them to see your other desks. And I want to show you on my desk that I have the theme plan. And as you can see, I have multiple desks. And I have multiple work teams. And another nice thing that you can do is that you can click here on this green button. You can add team members, but you can also manage the permission of your team members. So if you click, for example, on this team member, on these 3 dots, you choose edit. You have 3 options. You have the option of organization admin, who's responsible for all the desks. You have the desk admin, who's responsible only on one desk. And you have the member, which is the lowest permission we have. And in this way, you can manage the permission of your workers. So I think that this is it. So if you have any questions, I'm here. You can write to me in the chat. And meanwhile, while you're thinking, if you have any question, I want to send to you some links. If you want to visit our website, to download our app, to contact our support team. Okay, so if there is no questions, I want to thank you so much for watching me today. And if you like us, please review us on App Store and on Google Play. And we'll be happy to see you joining our family, our BIGVU family. So thank you so much again for watching, and goodbye for today.